Hello everyone. So here's what we got. It's very old boiler, not so old, but it's pretty common in this area. So we got wiring like this, total mess. It's a few transformers installed, many zones, and zone controller, it's only like 4 zones on it, and the previous electrician, I think he installed another transformer because he bypassed this to be able to hook up all this new zone valves. So here's the thing, customer order to install new smart thermostats like Google Nest. So it's required, as it's called, C-wire, which is powers the thermostat itself, because it works with Wi-Fi. It needs more power than battery operated thermostats. And not many people knows that installing the C-wire, it's not only the option to run the new wire. So we got on the market things like this. It's can use existing wiring, because this house like 100 years old. It's a complicated structure, and gonna take a lot of time to run the new wires, and a lot of damage should be done. And the option what I offered to customer to use that thing, so I use existing wiring. I hooked up to zone valve, the transformer, and what it's do, it sends multiple signals to the new thermostat through their existing wiring, and now it works. So here it is.